So what we have here is a Scania G440 in 8x8 version, so a rather rare chassis. And on it we see this big Cormach. It's a 230,000 model E7. And at the rear they installed a ZAC lift recovery unit. So this massive crane has got 3 times extending outriggers to both sides here on the front. And then there's a big body built around the turret of the crane that holds the swiveling outriggers that are mounted at the rear to get it a really stable base, because the 230 is really a mighty crane. This impressive crane has got 7 extensions, and with that it can reach up to 18.6 meters, where it can still lift 8.6 tons. And at a close range, like 5.2 meters, it will lift 33 tons. And here at the back we see the ZAC lift. That is a recovery unit that is very compact, so it fits between the legs of the 2300 crane. So here we see the ZAC lift arm. It is a 40,000 lbs version, so 18 tons on a non-extended arm. So in front of the ZAC lift they installed this very big winch. You see the winch cable going through here and coming out here at the back. And with this rotational head, they can tow in any direction here where they want. And we see here an additional stabilizer that is only available for using the heavy winch and for towing operations. And another one on this side as well. So that gives you some sort of cross support so that you can tow with the winch.